For our project, we decided to use the evidence-based planning framework. This consists of 7 phases, starting with phase 1, the community assessment. During this phase, the planners will go out into the affected community and start to paint a picture of the issue at hand.
To do this, we will accomplish this by handing out surveys that identify key attributes of sleep hygiene, such as the average amount of hours slept, current sleep aids used, and activities done before bed.
In phase 2, quantifying the issue, the planners will use descriptive epidemiology to look at the data collected from phase 1 and research articles on sleep hygiene and attempt to justify the claim that the problem in question is a valid concern. In phase 3, developing a concise statement of the issue,
which is basically just a brief statement that pulls together the analysis of sleep quality.
Phase 4 is determining what is known using scientific language. During this phase, the planners will disseminate prior research on interventions that have been conducted concerning sleep hygiene.
For instance, U of M has already implemented a workshop that evidence-based practice interventions could be pulled from.
In phase 5, developing and prioritizing program and policy options, the planners will create the intervention plan that will be implemented based on the research conducted in phase 4.
So these interventions will be focused on the population that the survey surveyed, basically, to better enhance the sleep hygiene of the community.
In phase 6, developing an action plan and implementing interventions, the doers will implement the intervention plan in phase 5.
We will present our case to the stakeholders, the Shark Tank people, in order to gain the resources needed to implement the interventions.
And lastly, in phase 7, it's evaluating the program or policy. During this phase, the doers will look at the results of the intervention and compile the data to determine the success or failure of the intervention. Wait, oh no.
I'm Jared
Wait.
Williams.
What? I'm so confused.
We're back.
I'm missing something.
He's just being a dork. Jared, are you done?
Sometimes running gets things moving sometimes. You just have to mix up the air a little bit.
Oh, you farted.
It was bad.
I'm dead. I'm so dead.
My goal is to be swimming in the sea.
I was funny. I was like, I'm so confused. Right
So I was laughing.
Oh no! Ladies and gentlemen, we've just been noted. The fart was because of nervousness.